Okay, the next honorable mention is from Myron Zhang, Mentor, Ohio. And let's evaluate this to see what it does. It is a capitals quiz. The capital of Cambodia. Anybody? This is going to be an embarrassing exposure of my ignorance of country capitals. Fubar, let's say. No, that was false. It's Phnom Penh. Paraguay, Ascension, maybe? False. Asuncion. Okay, well, you got to spell it right as well.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's a complete capitals quiz in 140 characters. Let's take just a quick look at how it works. There's an initialization here, C equals country data. That gathers a list of all the countries that Mathematica knows about. And then there's this loop, this while loop. It poses a question here with this sub-expression, and then it prints an answer and tells you whether you got it correct or not. So there's a little bit of saving of intermediate results to save characters. Myron was right at the 140 character limit. So A is it chooses a random country here, and input string puts up the dialog that asks the question with the name of the country. It gets the result in I, and then it says if I is canceled, in other words, if the user hit the cancel button, then it quits. Otherwise, it prints an answer here by evaluating whether or not the answer is correct or not with true or false, and then goes to the next question. So let me point out one bit of syntax that people might not be familiar with. This is the infix notation that Yusung just referred to. So this little sub-expression here is equivalent to country data of a comma capital city. For any function that has a head with a given name, you can write that in infix form. For example, 1 plus 1 is in fact equivalent to plus 1, 1. And you can write that in infix form like this, 1 tilde plus tilde 1. And we evaluate that, get 2. Okay, so Myron Zhang is an honorable mention.
Great.